Do all the yummy holiday foods have you looking and feeling like this? I'm here to help with a detox soup. This soup comes together quickly for an easy weeknight dinner with the use of pre-cooked canned beans, frozen cauliflower, and store-bought vegetable broth. There's a lot of adjectives I can use to describe this leek and bean soup. Quick, easy, vegan, natural, healthy, but let's not forget the most important one, delicious. We can't avoid it forever. The chill in the air is becoming more prevalent, and winter's arrival is imminent. When that happens, there's nothing better than a big, soul warming bowl of soup. There are two stars of this soup. One is the beans. Any canned white bean will do. Today I'm using cannellini beans. Later, when we blend them, they'll give the soup a nice creaminess without the use of potatoes or heavy cream, and give the added nutritional benefit of fiber. The other star are the leeks. No, 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 not that kind of leek. These kind of leeks. Now, I've noticed from interacting with YouTubers across the world that sometimes people in Asian countries use the word leeks for what we call in the US green onions or scallions. Make no mistake, the leek you need for this soup is bigger than a green onion. They're usually around 30 centimeters or a foot long, and typically 2 to 3 centimeters in diameter. It's also milder in flavor than a green onion. For this recipe, I've cut up just the white portion of 3 leeks into rounds. If you like, you can save the dark green portions to use for a future soup stock. I've also diced 1 onion and 3 cloves of garlic. Go ahead and preheat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in your soup pan. Then mix in the leeks and the onions, stir them all around, get them good and coated up, and saute them for a few minutes until the onions turn translucent. Now you'll notice I haven't added the garlic yet. Personally, I'm always afraid of burning my garlic, so I wait until the onions and leeks are done there. As far as the rest of the ingredients, you can see it's pretty simple and straightforward here. 1 quart of vegetable broth, store-bought. 1 can of cannellini beans. Again, no soaking required. Just open it up, drain it, and rinse, and the beans are ready to go. And then my spices are pretty simple. I'm just using a little bit of oregano, some freshly ground black pepper, some cumin seeds, whole cumin seeds, and a little bit of salt. And let's not forget the bay leaf. Add a bay leaf in and your garlic and your cumin seeds, as well as your oregano. Stir that all around. Then put about 2 cups of frozen cauliflower in there, stir it around, put the lid on, and let it steam for 7 to 8 minutes. Cauliflower is especially good at boosting your intestinal defenses and your immune function, as well as boosting the liver's detoxifying enzymes. And that is, of course, key for a detox soup. Then I'm going to add my can of beans, which has already been drained and rinsed, as well as the 4 cups or quart of vegetable stock. Stir that around, simmer it covered for about 20 minutes. And then I remembered I had kale in my fridge. So I chopped up a couple leaves of kale, threw it into the soup, and that's going to give some extra detox boost to the soup. Kale is great for lowering cholesterol, preventing DNA damage, improving immune function, preventing cancer, and reducing the risk of chronic age-related diseases. What more could you ask for? While we're waiting for our soup to cook, me and my trusty assistant will pass the time for you with a joke. We take you to a restaurant where a customer has been served a nice bowl of soup.
Waiter, what is this fly doing in my soup?
The backstroke, I believe, sir. Once your soup is done simmering, fish out that bay leaf, and then you can either use a regular blender or an immersion blender. If you like a smoother soup, I'd go for the full-size blender. If you prefer a little chunkier soup, then an immersion blender will work well because the cauliflower will still be in some larger pieces. Trusty assistant, do you have something you'd like to tell our viewers?
Yes, I have some steps for you. 1. Like this video. 2, subscribe and click the bell and put the notifications on all. 3, share this video with everyone you know. 4, comment down below. Bye!